Thank you, Chair. For those I just came in late, my name is Kipchumba Toroitich. I'm a Parliament representing Marakwet West constituency and I'm a member of this committee. Chair, I have a question directed to the Council of Governors. Now, we understand that VTCs and village polytechnics is a fully devolved function. The argument that has been postulated by the Council of Governors, but not by the Ministry, is to the effect that under the Tibet Act of 2013, there has been no provision for the management of the devolved function. Now my question is this: since 2013 to 2023, it is 10 years. What has been the modus operandi? What has been the mode of operation in the county governments? What kind of legislation have you been using for the 10 years since this is a fully devolved function? Have county governments already enacted laws to provide for the lacuna in this particular area? Number two, if you have laws already in place, and now we have a proposed uniform legislation to provide for an overall legislation, if there is a conflict of interpretation between the current law that we want to pass and the laws already passed by the county governments, what could be the correct interpretation, bearing in mind that this is a fully devolved function under the 4th schedule of the Constitution?
I wish to, from Commissioner from Marakwet, he indicated that county governments has been in existence from 2013 to date, and on matters of laws and legislations, what has happened in the counties. And I really want to apply to that question. One is that once county governments took over the management of VTCs after the new constitution, there has been a struggle to harmonize the same. Because remember, these were run by the national government as village polytechnics.
You have said, COG, that you want to leave registration, let that it be left to the county government, that each county government to determine the form of registration. Now we have 47 county governments in this country. If we leave the regulation and the registration of VTCs to each county government, and we have something, VTCs, and we have something called uniformity of laws, don't you think that there would be a conflict because each county would set different standards of registration, and it would bring some an element of inequality in terms of qualification and so on other things. Number 6, that is page 12 on clause 29. Now, you have proposed an amendment to the effect that in terms of licensing, is licensed and registered as a trainer under the Vocational Education and Training Act or the Industrial Training Act. Now, should it be or you should have used and? Because you have given an option here, so that you are saying now it can be under NITA or the Vocational Education and Training Act. So I think if you want inclusivity, did you mean or and?